Welcome to the first video of your Quick Start online training. Today we'll cover the biggest mistake most people make when they're first starting out in online marketing and how you can avoid it. I'm also going to show you the only thing that has to happen for you to get paid by JVZoo. Let's get started. The biggest difference between people that make it online and people that don't comes down to what they listen to. There are a lot of mixed messages being sent your way about how to make money online. Everyone's calling themselves an expert in an attempt to convince you that you need what they're selling, whether it's SEO, Facebook marketing, e-commerce, the list goes on. What these experts aren't telling you is that these are just tools, and often tools that you don't really need. They want you to buy them so they can continue to sell you even more stuff, which you don't really need for whatever strategy you're applying to generate money online. The mistake you've got to avoid is listening to all these competing messages. It's only going to pull you in a number of different directions, leading you to the point that you're not making any progress because you're confused about what actions you should be taking. This is a lesson I've learned from experience, wasting both time and money when I was first trying to learn how to make money from the internet. Here's the biggest realization that's going to help you to get focused on what your best opportunity is. The only way anyone makes money online is when money changes hands. It's that simple. But a lot of people don't recognize this fact. Sadly, there are a lot of scams out there that promise you'll make money just from watching ads or answering survey questions. But these are misleading at best and outright lies at worst. You get paid when one person buys from another and you're involved in the transaction. You've either sold a product that you've created to someone else, which would mean that you're making money as a seller, or you've sold someone else's product and earned a commission. This is what we call making money as an affiliate. Now, in the last 2 years, just the top 10 best-selling products on JVZoo made over $15 million in sales. Most of these products offered 50% commissions, meaning affiliates promoting them earned over $7.5 million in that time. Personally, when you're starting out, I recommend you make money as an affiliate because you don't have to create a thing and the product creator already has everything set up for you. All you need to do is direct people to a sales page and get paid when someone buys. There are people making hundreds or even thousands of dollars each day selling other people's products on JVZoo, myself included. And there are only 2 things you need to make this happen for you. First, you need something to sell, and that's easy. You can find fantastic products to promote to your audience inside of JVZoo's product marketplace. Pretty much every niche is covered, so as an affiliate, finding products is super easy. Second, a subscriber list. We talked about this before. Subscribers are people that have given you their email address because they're interested in what you can do for them. Even though there's a common expression that says the money is in the list, it's not really true. You're going to make the most money when you have a subscriber list that you have a good relationship with. When people know, like, and trust you, they follow your suggestions and buy what you're promoting. When this happens, you get paid. The challenge is how to build that relationship with your subscriber list in the first place. And that's the subject of the next training video. Keep an eye on your inbox because I'll be sending you an email with a valuable case study and more tips about what we just covered. Now, if you're wondering, is there really a shortcut to making money online? There is. Below this video, you'll see a link that'll give you the details of my personal training system where everything is covered step by step. This is the exact system that's taking complete beginners from scratch to getting paid over 6 figures by JVZoo each year. So, if getting results fast and making a consistent income online is something you'd like to know more about, click the button below for an insider's look at this proven system. I'll see you in the next training video.